@NCERT video book welcomes you. Today we are going to start Unit 2. Welcome to my world. Our first chapter is It is Fun. Let's start Chapter 1. It is Fun. Let us recite. It's fun to be this. It's fun to be that. To leap like a lamb. To climb like a cat. To hop like a frog, to swim like a fish, to trot like a horse, to fly like a bird. I can act just like them all. It's fun to be this, it's fun to be that. Let's recite the poem once again. You can see here a lamb and the child is walking like a lamb. You can see a cat climbing on the tree. You can see a frog hopping, and you can see a trot of a horse. You can see birds flying in the sky. You can see fish swimming in water. Okay, let's recite the poem once again. It is fun. It's fun to be this, it's fun to be that. To leap like a lamb, to climb like a cat. Sight words, this, that, like, to, them, all, none. To hop like a frog, to swim like a fish, to trot like a horse, to fly like a bird. I can act just like them all. It's fun to be this, it's fun to be that. New words: fun, climb, leap, swim, trot, fly. Let us speak. A. Listen to the sounds that your teacher will share on the mobile. Can you identify the sounds? B. Answer the questions. Teacher, if you were a cat, what would you do? Child 1. I would run after a mouse. Child 2. I would drink milk. Child 3. I would say meow. Teacher, if you meet an elephant, what would you say? Teacher, if you meet an elephant, what would you say? Child 1, I will say dash. Child 2, I will say dash. Child 3, I would say dash. You can fill what you like. One first child would say, can say hello, how are you? Second child, I think you are hungry. Child 3 will offer, okay, child 3 will say, take this banana and eat. Okay. Note to the teacher, download and share the sounds on the mobile such as croaking of a frog, cackling of a hen, quack of a duck, bleat of a sheep, etc. Let children guess the names of the animal. Okay, teacher must download and save sounds of a frog, croaking of a frog, cackling of a hen, quack of a duck, bleat of a sheep, etc. Think of imaginary situation and begin a conversation. You may ensure that all the students get their turn to answer. This is a note to the teacher. Let us speak. See, say the words climb, leap, swim, trot, fly. Climb, leap, swim, trot, fly. Now make sentences with these words. One has been done for you. Monkeys climb trees. Similarly, boy leap like a sheep or lamb. The boy leap leaps like a lamb. Similarly, you can write fish swim in water. You can say horse trot is beautiful. Trot, a trot of a horse is beautiful. Birds fly in the sky. You can make sentences for the following words using following words. Let us write A. Can you do? What can you do like any animal or bird? What can you do like an animal or bird? I can meow like a cat. Okay, you can write like that. Okay, you can write I can climb like a monkey. B. Name any two animals or birds other than fish that can swim. You can write a turtle can swim. There are many animals that can swim, such as dolphin, turtle, or snake. Some snake live in water. Okay, like crocodile, you can write crocodile there. Name any two animals that live on tree. Birds, bird, or crow. You can write crow. You can write crow. You can write monkey. Okay, monkey live on tree. Crow live on tree. D. Answer the following. 1. What can the child in the poem do? The child in the poem can do various things. He can leap like a lamb. He can climb like a cat. He can swim like a fish. He can trot like a horse. And he can fly like a bird. You may write any or all of these. 2. The child in the poem can do so many things. Which of them, any two, do you like the most? You can write it here. Picture reading. You can see a picture of uh, a sea is given here or a pond is given here. What do you see in the picture? Talk about it. You can see a dolphin here. You can see a submarine here. You can see a seahorse here. You can see various fishes here. You can see octopus here. You can see starfish here or oh, sorry, this is jellyfish. This is jellyfish and this one is starfish like a star. You can see seashells. You can see a marine diver. You can see a diver there wearing, having oxygen cylinder, okay, and wearing mask as well, water goggles to protect his eyes from water. Okay, you can see whale here. You can see seahorse and turtle. You can see a fairy here. Okay. Oh, okay. You may say a mermaid. Okay. Mermaid here or jalpari in Hindi. You can see various types of plants there, such as uh, corals. You can see corals there, and small fishes. You can see snail here. Okay, too many animals are there. Animals, plants, and insect species are there. Kindly note that. Kindly try to remember these names: dolphin, seahorse, submarine, fishes, uh, jellyfish, octopus, starfish, seashell, marine diver, whale, seahorse, turtle, mermaid, fairy or jalpari, or snail, corals. Okay, let us do. Okay, let us think. A. Match the animals to their action. The horse trots. Okay, the horse trots. The lamb leaps. The lamb leaps. The lamb leaps. The snake crawls. The snake crawls. The squirrel runs. The squirrel runs. The monkey swims. The monkey swings. Let us speak. A. Look at the pictures. Read the words below each picture. An inch, an inkpot, an inkpot, an igloo. An inch, an inkpot, an igloo. A pin, a list, a fish. A pin, a list, a fish. A bin, a ring, a ship. A bin, a ring, a fish, a ship. Okay. Last class I have told you about the vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. The nouns or names starting with sounds of A, E, I, O, U takes an as prefix. For example, inch, an inch, an inkpot, an igloo. But there is no an, there is a before pin, a pin, list, a list, fish, a fish, a bin, bin, a bin, ring, a ring, sip, a sip. Let us sing Song of I. I is both a letter and a word. Clap, clap, clap. I is both a letter and a word. Clap, clap, clap. Even though they look the same, even though they look the same, you use I and not your name. You use I and not your name. I is both a letter and a word. I is both a letter and a word. Clap, clap, clap. Note to the teacher, sing the above song and encourage children to sing it to help them understand the notion that I is oneself. I means oneself. Let us draw Rangoli. Follow the steps to draw a Rangoli and color it. Step 1, you may draw like this. Step 2, step 3. Okay. Try making here using these dots. Okay, first step, join this to this and this to this. Second step, make arc like this. And then like this. Okay, you can make better than mine. Okay, you can make like this. For more videos, you can subscribe NCERT video book. Thank you.